Welcome to my channel. Arris router not working? Try this. Ensure the router is properly plugged into a power outlet and the power switch is turned on. Confirm that the power indicator light is lit. Verify that all cables, such as the Ethernet cable and coaxial cable, for modem routers, are securely connected. Loose or damaged cables can disrupt the connection. Unplug the router from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can reset temporary glitches affecting the router's performance. Ensure the router is placed in a well-ventilated area. If it's hot to the touch, allow it to cool down before restarting it. Connect your device to the router's Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable, then type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in a browser. Log in with the default or your set admin credentials. Use the built-in diagnostic tools in the router's web interface to check for issues. Some routers offer troubleshooting logs or reports. Check for firmware updates under the Administration or Firmware Updates section in the web interface. Updating the firmware can fix bugs and improve performance. Perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button on the router, usually for 10 to 15 seconds, until the lights blink, then release. Thank you for watching.